Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. Over the past couple of weeks, we've shopped at Pottery Barn, and I've even demonstrated how to take a tablescape from summer to fall with items and inspiration from Pottery Barn. Well, today I've got some dupes for you, and I'm real excited. Right here is the inspiration of what I will be recreating for you. And I have to tell you, I really love Pottery Barn's Golden Hour. Now, one of my favorite pieces from this new line is this pillow right here. And let me tell you, it is fabulous. You're not going to want the dupe, you're going to want the real thing. While you're watching this video, please consider liking and subscribing so that I know that you like this content and I can make more of it. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can probably tell from my most recent videos, that I am currently loving Pottery Barn's take on the Golden Hour. The new line warms things up with textured naturals and their newest hues, inspired by the glow of Golden Hour. Paired with white and ivory, these shades transition seamlessly from summer to fall, creating a cozy, livable space to wrap yourself up in when the weather starts to chill. Here is the look that I will recreate. And this next picture shows how the dupes look when styled in a similar manner. Here I am showing the Pottery Barn pillows, followed by the dupes. All of the items shown are listed with links in the description box. Now, not all of the dupes are exact matches, but close enough to achieve the desired look. I have also included additional pillows that coordinate with the inspiration picture. This way you can customize the look to fit your style preferences. Now, when it comes to Pottery Barn, especially their textiles, the quality and style is definitely worth considering, especially when the budget allows. That being said, when it comes to creating a look inspired by Pottery Barn, it may not be in the budget to buy everything you see. Besides adding your own flair to create a more personalized space, using a mix of items from Pottery Barn and dupes is a great way to go. So how do you determine what to buy and where? Here are some suggestions, especially regarding the throw pillows, to take into consideration. Longevity is definitely a deciding factor. Are the items trendy or trending and classic? And do they fit well with your overall design style? Definitely take into consideration the quality and durability. Consider the wear and tear the items will get. Pillows on a couch that receives a lot of use should be comfy and durable, just like the Sorel 12 pillow that I bought. After you invest in the pieces that you love and have longevity, then shop for other more affordable items that can complement the look you are going for. This works well for pieces that don't experience a lot of use and are in low traffic areas. The dupes that I have listed are ideal for this. Places to shop for more affordable items include Wayfair, Target, Home Goods, and Walmart tend to follow similar trends, so are great resources. Whenever you buy something online, especially when you are unfamiliar with the shop's quality, definitely look into the reviews and shipping costs when debating on what items to buy to complete your look. After all, nothing is more frustrating than purchasing something that barely lasts through a season. I want to thank you for watching, and hopefully you find some things that you love.